Our solution, Real Estate Artificial Intelligence Assistant, is an AI-powered platform that connects agents, customers, and investors with single unified ecosystems. It actually automates listings, client communications, reporting with real-time notifications to the end users, providing better and stronger communications between agencies and individual users. Even more, Real Estate Platform provides one integrated revenue model that rewards performance, teamwork, and memberships, creating a fair, scalable, and motivating environment for agents. My name is Marko and I am solution architect behind the Real Estate Platform.
Hi, my name is Ruskovski. I'm in real estate for almost a decade as an agent, manager, and real estate agency owner. Through that experience, I learned what agents, buyers, and sellers struggle with every day. My job here is to connect the real-world experience from real estate with smart technologies and artificial intelligence.
My name is Zoran Ivošević. I have over 17 years of experience in local economic development, supporting foreign and domestic investors in Novi Sad and Serbia. Within of the project team, my role is help to build the foundation of the REA platform as the startup and define clear strategy for future business efficiency.
The proposed solution is fully conversational, AI-powered platform designed to modernize Serbia's real estate market and serve as a personal, always-on digital consultant for buyers, investors, agents, and property owners. The platform itself directly addresses the operational challenges of the market by providing a natural language interface, replacing complex filter-based searches. By combining natural conversational search, predictive analytics, and fully integrated workflows, Real Estate Platform transformed the real estate experience into a frictionless, transparent, and customer-centric process, providing a single intelligent platform.